Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox and review the Microtek 4160 Plus automatic display voltage stabilizer. I got this for 1899 rupees from Amazon. It has 3 years on-site warranty. Here is the voltage range and output feature of this stabilizer. We get 2 screws for wall mounting. These 2 holes are for the wall mounting. It is using 1 square mm 3-core copper wire. The copper wire has a tin coating at the end to prevent from the corrosion and oxidation. Here is the output, that's neutral, earth and live. The outer surface of the stabilizer is made from metal. It is heavy and very good build. For input connection, we need to connect the black wire to neutral terminal, yellow and green wire to earth and red wire to live. Let's test it. So this stabilizer has 10 seconds delay startup. When voltage is above 245 volt, it decreases the voltage by 25 volts. .270 volt as input, then you will get 245 volt as output. As you can see, this stabilizer is working totally fine with my 1.5 ton 5-star Panasonic AC. So guys, here is the final verdict of the stabilizer. When the voltage is below 160 volt, the stabilizer cut off the output. When the voltage is between 160 to 210 volts, the voltage steps up the voltage by around 15 to 20 volts. When the voltage is between 210 to 240 volt, the output is same as the input voltage. When voltage is above 245 volt, the stabilizer steps down the voltage by 25 volts. Suppose you are getting 270 volt as input, then you will get 245 volt as output. When input voltage is above 285 volts, the stabilizer cut off the output. It gives no output at all.